everybody. Today we are going to be making a Nutella mug cake. For this treat, you will need sugar. Next, we have cocoa powder, then self-rising flour, milk, vegetable oil, Nutella, and eggs. If you do not have self-rising flour at hand, you can make your own with this quick recipe. You will need 1 cup of flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This will make more than you really need in this recipe, but you can save it for later so you will not have to make any more next time. Now, I'm going to be telling you what tools we will need for this recipe. You will need any type of container to crack your egg into. You will need a large coffee mug. I have this Yosemite one. You will need a knife, a spoon, a fork, a tablespoon, and 1/4 of a cup. Now we are going to start a timer to see about how long it takes to make this Nutella mug cake. 3, 2, 1, let's do it. So first we need 4 tablespoons of sugar. So let's get the sugar. And now let's get this, since it is equal to 4 tablespoons. Fun fact. Next ingredient is 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Man, that cocoa powder smells really good. I spilled a lot. All right, now we need some self-rising flour. Again, the recipe to make this by yourself, if you don't have any on hand, is 1 cup of flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay. Also, next we need 3 tablespoons of milk. Yeah, I can't reach it. This is heavy. Now we need 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We need 3 tablespoons of Nutella. That should be easy. Nutella's awesome. Delicious. But messy. The part everybody's been waiting for. I draw off my hands. That was not the part that everybody was waiting for. The part that everybody was waiting for is the eggs. Scrambled eggs. It's not going to be scrambled eggs. It is going to be an egg that goes plop into this right here, this measuring cup. Okay. So I'm not putting it straight into the cake because I don't want the shells getting into the cake, and that'll just be weird with shells in the cake. So yeah, just in case, to make sure that the shells aren't going into the cake. Anyway, let's crack this egg. Mix it looks good already, guys. Look at that. Yum. Mix and mix and mix. This cocoa powder is gonna make it taste awesome. All right, now we pour in the egg, right? I think we pour in the egg. Okay. Let's pour in the egg. Do-do. Now it's a bunch of yellow yolk. Yummy, yummy, yum, yum, yum. All right, let's mix it up. I don't want to see that yellow yolk. So mix it up enough that you don't see the yellow yolk at all. I mean the yolk. 11 minutes and 39 seconds I was talking, and so that's one of the things that was making it a little too long. But that's about 10 minutes. Now it's time to take this delicious looking cake over to the microwave. Let's go. Since I am not tall enough to put it in by myself, I have a stool. So I'm going to open the microwave and put it in. I'm going to be careful. And I did it. Yay. And then I'm going to turn the beautiful side towards us. There we go. So now we have to put it in for we're going to set a timer for 3 minutes, but it said 1.5 minutes through 3 minutes, which means that we have to keep an eye on it because we don't know when it's going to overflow, and we don't want that to happen. So let's set a timer for 3 minutes. There we go, 3 minutes. Pretty sure that's right. Let's start the microwave. It sort of comes out and then goes down. It's really cool to look at. So it's a really cool experience to make it. So with my size cup, it took about 2 minutes to microwave it, and it turned out pretty good. It's supposed to come back up when you tap it on the top, and ours did. So that means it's good. Now, I think it might be time to bring in the taste tester. He is our special guest today. So I'm gonna go get him. Henry, we're ready for you. Hi. This is our taste tester, Henry Gerda-Miller.
A coffee mug.
It's in a coffee mug, yes.
Sort of looks like hot chocolate.
I know, it kind of does look like hot chocolate.
The cup is very hot.
Yes, it's hot.
Except that part.
Be careful, yeah.
Do you know if this is hot?
Sort of.
Okay.
Oh.
What did you add in it?
Okay, so we added, oh my gosh.
So sorry to get out.
So we added sugar, cocoa powder, self-rising flour, milk, vegetable oil, Nutella, and egg.
That's a lot.
I know.
Very good.
Can I try?
You have lots of chocolate.
Yep, we did. Now can I try?
It sort of looks like there's chocolate chips in it.
It does?
Mm-hmm. Like right there.
Ooh, wow, it's hot. This is a hot cup. Ooh, yum. Oh, that's hot.
Sort of warm.
It's delicious.
Very chocolatey.
I'm gonna have another bite. It's small, so you should probably take it out of the coffee mug.
Mm-hmm.
But I mean, it's called a Nutella mug cake, so I mean, you have to make it in a mug. Rules are rules. So overall, this cake was very good. I'm going to post the recipe down below so that you can copy it and you won't have to watch the whole video over again. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when I release more videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Bye.